What if the history books are wrong and electricity wasn't discovered in the 1700s, but 2,000 years earlier in ancient Iraq? In 1936, archaeologists excavating near Baghdad uncovered a strange artifact buried in the desert. At first glance, it looked like an ordinary clay jar, but inside was something unusual: a copper cylinder, and inside that cylinder, an iron rod sealed with asphalt. At first, no one understood what it was, but decades later, scientists noticed something remarkable. This simple combination of copper, iron, and acid could actually create electricity. In other words, it could function like a primitive battery. Today, it's known as the Baghdad Battery. When researchers recreated the device and filled it with acidic liquids like vinegar or grape juice, it produced a small electrical charge. Not enough to power a city, but enough for something very interesting: electroplating. Electroplating uses electricity to coat metal objects with thin layers of gold or silver, and archaeologists have discovered ancient artifacts from the region that appear to have been plated with incredible precision. Could Parthian craftsmen have secretly mastered this technique nearly 2 millennia ago? Some historians remain skeptical. They argue the jar may have been used for storing scrolls or religious objects. But the mystery remains, because if this really was a battery, then ancient engineers may have understood electrical chemistry long before modern science ever rediscovered it. A forgotten spark of innovation, buried for centuries beneath the sands of Iraq. And a reminder that history still holds secrets waiting to shock the world.